Question: should I follow any safety tips for using and maintaining my CO alarms? Answer: everything needs proper maintenance and care for flawless operation. The carbon monoxide detector needs the following safety tips for installation and use. Number 1. Install the detector out of reach of your children and pets. Number 2. The detector should be 15 feet far from the co-gas source. Number 3. The detector should be installed at a place from everywhere can hear the alarm. Number 4. Interconnect all CO alarms so that if one sends an alert, every detector sounds. Here are some maintenance tips. Number 1. If you have a battery-powered detector, you should check the battery status regularly. Usually, the detectors ask to change the battery once a year, but if it shows you a warning, change it immediately. Number 2. Test button is given on the detector for the monthly testing. Number 3. Different brands give a different lifespan of the detector, so it should be changed according to the company's manual guide.